Now we are going to look at that how can we edit or alter the ledgers and the transaction. It is very simple. First I am going to be alter or edit the ledger. If you want to be edit the ledger, it's a very simple. Just go to the gateway of Tally and you can click the alter. Under the alter you can see the variety of accounting master. The second is accounting master is ledger. So you just click. If you click here, the ledgers which we created, it's appear here. So if you want to be edit anything else, you can edit. For an example, if I want to be edit a Subhan account, like a Subhan personal account, so I can edit. I'm going to be show you. I'm going to be click the Subhan account and you can see here the basic information and basic ledger which we created already, it's up here. So I'm going to be alter or I'm going to be edit this ledger like a Subhan personal, right? So I'm going to be type Subhan personal, right? So if we edit, you need to be serve this edit. So I'm going to be press Ctrl plus A. If I press Ctrl plus A, it will serve the ledger, right? Ctrl plus A. So you can see here right now Subhan personal. Before we have Subhan account, now we change as a Subhan personal, right? So I'm going to be again edit as a default Subhan account, right? Right. Ctrl plus A, right? So now you can see the ledger successfully alter or successfully change, right? So likewise you can edit or alter the ledgers, right? The second part is if you want to be alter or edit the transaction, first you need to identify which voucher you used. You can see here I had a mistake in the second transaction, that is May 1st she opened an account in the ICICI Bank 200,000, but I put the date is April 1st. So how can I change this date? First you have to identify which voucher we used. In this transaction I used the contra voucher because this is being to cash transaction. So I'm going to go to the contra voucher. Where can I find this transaction? I'm going to go to the report section. Under the report section you can see here the display more report. I'm going to be click the display more report and then you can see the account books, right? So I'm going to be click the account books and under the account books you can see the variety of vouchers available. So I used contra voucher for the transaction. So I'm going to click the contra voucher and you can see here April is one transaction happened. It means this transaction May 1st we have to record, but I made a mistake that I recorded in April. I need to be change the date. How can I change the date? It's a very simple. I'm going to be double click this transaction and you can see 1st April 2019 cash contra voucher 1, right? So I'm going to be double click cash account credit ICICI bank account debit, but date is, what is the date? 1st April, but I need to be change, what is the date? May 1st. So I'm going to be change. If I want to be change the date, I need to press the F2 into the keyboard. If I press the F2 into the keyboard, the voucher date you can change, right? So I'm going to change 1st May, right? Just enter the date and month, then enter. So you can see here 1st May 2019. Other things are same. So I just want to be serve. How can I serve? You just enter all things are same. Now I am going to be accept yes, right? Now this transaction move to the May transaction because you can see here April 1st 2019 to 30 April 2019 there is no transaction because we change the date. So if you check the May month, you can get this transaction, right? So I'm going to press the escape key button, and you can see here the May month, it has a one transaction. So the transaction, we change the date, so it was successfully changed, right? Likewise, we can edit the transaction.